going to cover getting the wiring diagrams, torque specs, or information without connecting to the vehicle. First, you have to make sure that your Jaltest link is connected to the PC via the USB cable. From there, you simply select manual, then you go into manufacturer, and over here on the left we'll list out all the different manufacturers from engine, transmission to ABS. And if a brand is important to you, all you have to do is check the box and it will add it to the favorite brands in the middle. So let's say that we need a wiring diagram or information on a Cummins. We simply select Cummins. Up here you can go in and put the engine that you're looking for, so we're doing an ISX. You come down here and highlight if it's a 2250 or a 2350 ISX 15, so we're going to go 2250. And once you do that, over here on the left, all of this becomes highlighted. So you can select system technical data. This will give you all your torque specs, components. It will go into where items are located, and information. So if you need the accelerator pedal, all of that is down in here. Fan clutch and so on. You can also get to your vehicle data. So vehicle data will list out more torque specs, but the difference between the two is the torque specs down here in vehicle data and up here in system. In system, it's single value torque specs, where the ones down here in vehicle data go more to where there's a sequence and a stage. So if you need a cylinder head, that's down here. And all you have to do is click on the pictures, and you can print these off, email them, save them as a PDF, do whatever you like. You also have your valve adjustment information, liner height. So as you see, if you need a belt routing, that's going to be here. So as you scroll, this is all the information. You also have troubleshooting by symptom. So if you have a symptom but no fault code, you have your TSBs, and you have your component replacement guide. And a lot of times I get asked, do we have repair times? Those are also up here in vehicle data. Simply by clicking here, this will go into repair times for that information. Once you're finished, all you have to do is select back, and then you can go back to the main screen and select the next one that you need.